Good morning, student. Today we will continue our previous chapter from history, chapter number 2, New Kings and Kingdoms. What we have discussed in previous classes, that how the new kings and kingdom emerged, how the in medieval period main three kingdom has been emerged, and these three kingdom is called tripartite, and these three parties struggle to capture the Kannauj. And after these three parties pass Rajputas and Gurjar Parihara. And we have discussed about the Muhammad Ghori and what was the administration in his kingdom. We have already discussed about how the revenue collection, and today we will discuss about what was the use of revenue, what he used revenue. So let us start. Our topic is uses of revenue. So all of you open your page number 30 and let us start our today's first point is that the uses of revenue. Okay. That time king needed to use their resources for the purpose of to finance the king's establishment. It means kings also need to develop their kingdom. Next point is to construct temples and forts. You know that some rulers have constructed temples and forts, and you know that if some rulers wanted to fight the other rulers, so these wars needs revenue. That's why kings or ruler uses their revenue to fight wars. Remarkably, kings expected that the war would be acquisition of wealth in the form of gold, jewelry, lands as well as trade routes. These revenue collected as a form of gold, jewelry, land as well as trade routes. These kings or ruler use these revenue also for the trade routes. Our next point is prasastis. What do you know about the prasastis? In medieval period, rulers often retaining praise of their kingdom, their rules, so they deploy for this purpose a learned Brahman, and these Brahman describe the king's achievements, and these Brahman also mention kings as a valiant. Valiant means hero, victorious warriors. If these Brahmans didn't know whether it is true or false. Only they had to write king's praise, king's achievement. It's not matter that these movement, these achievement is right or wrong. But on the other hand, critical writings means जो सही है उसी को प्रशस्ति पत्र पे लिखना. किंग अगर वो सही किया है कोई भी ऐसा काम, कोई भी ऐसा विक्टोरियस वॉरियर है, हीरो है उस किंगडम का, क्या उसका अचीवमेंट है, ये सही सही किसने लिखा? दिस ऑथर नेम है कलहन was often critical about rulers and their policies. Cullen criticized about rulers and their kingdoms, their policies. Cullen was a poet and he composed a long Sanskrit poem that contains a history of the kings of Kashmir. It means especially Cullen's poem described the king of the Kashmir. He took the help of a variety of sources. What were the sources of these poem? Such as inscription, documents, earlier histories, eyewitness, also eyewitness accounts, etc. to complete his work, to complete his poem. Come to the next point, land grants. What was the land grants? Kings often rewarded Brahmins by grants of land. Brahman rewarded by the kings, and the grants were recorded on a copper plates. Here is copper plates. These recorded plates were given to those who received the land. It means these copper plates as a proof received by the kings. And a person, if anyone received these copper plates, he collected taxes from it. It means that time anyone collected these copper plates, here is some proof to collect the taxes. Okay. In next class we will discuss about the Cholas as a case studies. Okay. Thank you.